Brabus 850. It's basically Mercedes GLE 63 AMG, 850 horsepower and 1450 Newton meters of torque. This car looks amazing. So this is the Brabus 850. It's the GLE 63 AMG modified by Brabus. I love these gloss black wheels with the red lines. Let's take a quick look into the interior. Black perforated leather with this amazing looking red stitching, black leather ceiling, black leather headliner. Again, you can see the seats better in the front. Brabus 850 stitched into the headrest. Leather dashboard with the stitching behind, the command system, and leather headliner. You can also see the stitching right here on the doors side, and then of course the Brabus looks. Other than that, matte carbon fiber mirrors, absolutely mad looking wheels with the red Brabus calipers, and matte carbon fiber on the front bumper. All in this